Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing the difference between quantitative and qualitative research. These are two research methods that are commonly used in various fields to gather and analyze data, but they differ in their approaches and the types of information they provide. I'll be explaining these research methods to you in a way that you will never forget. And after this video, you will be able to correctly analyze when to use which type of research method. So let's dive in. Quantitative data. Quantitative research involves the collection and analysis of numerical data to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. It focuses on measurable variables and employs statistical techniques to draw conclusions. In quantitative research, researchers typically use surveys, experiments, or structured observations to gather data from a large sample size. For an example, let's imagine a study on the relationship between sleep duration and academic performance. A researcher might design a survey asking students to report the number of hours they sleep each night and their GPA, that is the grade point average. By collecting numerical data from a large number of students, the researcher can use statistical analysis to determine if there is a correlation between sleep duration and academic performance. Qualitative data. On the other hand, qualitative research focuses on gathering in-depth insights, understanding experiences, and exploring subjective meanings. It involves non-numerical data such as words, narratives, observations, and interviews. Qualitative research aims to uncover the complexities and nuances of human behavior and provides a rich understanding of social phenomena. Let's consider an example to illustrate qualitative research. Imagine a researcher interested in exploring the experiences of individuals who have overcome significant challenges in their lives. The researcher might conduct interviews with a small group of participants and ask open-ended questions, allowing them to share their personal stories and reflections. Through these interviews, the researcher can gather detailed narratives and qualitative data, enabling a deeper understanding of the participants' experiences and the factors that contributed to their resilience. Let's talk about a few of the key differences. Firstly, in the data type, quantitative research uses numerical data, whereas qualitative research uses non-numerical data such as words, images, or observations. Under approach, quantitative research focuses on objective measurements and statistical analysis. Qualitative research emphasizes subjective experiences and in-depth understandings. In terms of the sample size, quantitative research often involves a large sample size to provide generalizable results. Under qualitative research, it typically involves a small sample size to gather rich, detailed information. During data analysis, quantitative research employs statistical analysis to identify the patterns and relationship between variables. In qualitative research, that involves thematic analysis, categorization, and interpretation of data. Now talking about which research method to use. So choosing between quantitative and qualitative research methods for a particular research topic depends on several factors. Here's a simplified explanation to help you analyze which approach might be more suitable. Consider quantitative research when you aim to gather numerical data that can be analyzed statistically. Your research objective involves measuring, comparing, or predicting variables. You want to generalize findings to a broader population. You require a large sample size to ensure statistical validity. Or you prefer a structured and standardized approach to data collection and analysis. You can consider qualitative research when you want to explore subjective experiences or perceptions or social interactions. Your research objective involves understanding the meaning and context of phenomena. You seek to uncover new insights and generate theories or hypotheses. You prefer a flexible and open-ended approach to data collection and analysis. You are willing to invest time in conducting interviews, observations, or analyzing qualitative data. Ultimately, the decision should align with your research objectives, the nature of the research topic, and the availability of resources. By the way, there are different techniques to conduct these quantitative and qualitative studies. You can find a separate video in this YouTube channel to learn about them. Hope these tips will help you choose a research method for any given research topic now. Thank you, and please do like the video and subscribe to this channel to find more research related content. See you soon.